You'll love this 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 truck. It has an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, along with alloy wheels, keyless entry, multiple airbags, bed liner, and air conditioning. Add to that power windows, locks, and mirrors, steering wheel controls, and a vehicle anti-theft system, and you have an attractive vehicle waiting for a test drive. Come by and see us today.
At Kelly Chrysler Jeep Dodge West, we're conveniently located at 5408 University Boulevard in Moon Township, PA, just a quarter mile from Robert Morris University.